Good morning, everyone. Have you ever wondered how much water we actually use in something as simple as washing your hands or cleaning surface? Today, our group will explore water as a critical resource, not only in everyday life, but also in engineering and the food industry, where it is essential for processing, cleaning, and sanitation. Water is often used without measuring how much is consumed or how efficiently it's applied. For this reason, we designed simple experiments to evaluate water use through real-life activities. First, we analyzed hand washing by measuring the flow rate and total water consumption during a typical 20 to 30 seconds wash. Then we evaluate the cleaning efficiency by comparing how effectively water removes the surface marking under normal flow versus increasing pressure. Through these examples, we aim to show how small changes in technique and conditions can significantly impact water efficiency. Now I will continue explaining the methodology. First, we measure the water flow rate by collecting a known volume over time. Second, we compared the cleaning performance using a hose under normal conditions and increased pressure. Third, we evaluate the water and detergent consumption while cleaning different residues. And finally, we analyze the data to compare efficiency and identify ways to improve water usage.
Objective. The objective of this laboratory practice was to analyze water consumption during common operations, evaluate the efficiency of different cleaning methods, and determine practical approach to improve water management and reduce unnecessary usage in food processing environments.
On the first phase of the laboratory, we wanted to see how much water is used per minute in a typical hand washing session on a water hose in Zamorano. We investigated, and it is recommended that a hand washing session lasts about 20 to 30 seconds for it to be effective. But in Zamorano, we have hoses which we automatically push and have a estimated time for them to release water, which is 5 seconds. We went to the hose and pressed it, and in 5 seconds, it released 250 milliliters of water. This means that for every second there were released 50 milliliters. It resulted to be in a very efficient process, but still we could improve it by pushing the water hose not all the way down and pushing it in intermediate times for us to save more water and make it more efficient, reducing its consumption of water.
The phrase "engineering is fun" can be written on a sidewall, and the area it occupies can be measured by calculating its length and width. The surface is then cleaned and using a hose under two conditions: first without added pressure and then with increased pressure, while timing each process. By comparing the cleaning time and the effectiveness of ink removal in both cases, it is possible to determine which method is more efficient, with higher pressure typically resulting in faster and more thorough cleaning. Consequently, the application of increased pressure not only reduces cleaning time but also significantly lowers water consumption by using the resource more effectively, demonstrating that engineering is fun.
Okay, cleaning agents. We need a flat surface. Where, in that, we apply mayonnaise and ketchup. After that, we add a small amount of detergent along with the necessary water that we need. All that was measured using a container to remove each substance. Then, the cleaning process was timed and the volume of water used in each case was recorded in order to compare the removal efficiency. Overall, we see that the manganese require more time and greater amount of waters than capture. Capture, being more water-based, was removed faster with less water. In here in the picture, we have that manganese needs 5 cups of water and uh, two two scoops of detergent, and captured only need 4 cups of water and 2 scoops, and they need like the same amount of detergent. Then in the image we can see that we do some conversions to get we first we have liters per second, but we compare it in gauss for minutes and in kilogram by minute too. Conclusion: the water use can be monitored, controlled through simple measurements. Pressured system improve cleaning efficiency and reduce time and water consumption. Residue type affects cleaning with greasy substance requiring more resources than water-based ones.